In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Hostinger email profile picture. This guide is perfect if you're looking to refresh your email's visual identity or just want to add a personal touch. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, we'll head over to the Hostinger website. You can easily access it by entering hostinger.com into the address bar of your preferred web browser. Once the website loads, you'll be greeted with the sleek, user-friendly interface Hostinger is known for. Now, if you don't already have a Hostinger account, just take a moment to create one. For those who have an account, it's time to log in. To log in, locate the login button usually found in the upper right corner of the home page. Clicking this will take you to the login page, where you can enter your credentials, typically your email and password. Don't worry if you've forgotten your password. There's a forgot password link right there to help you reset it. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself inside your Hostinger account's dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Look for the email section. It's usually one of the main categories on the dashboard. Click on email to proceed. After selecting email, you'll be presented with a variety of options. What you want to do next is click on Explore. This action will take you deeper into the email management section, where you can view and manage various settings related to your email services. Now, if you don't have an active email plan yet, this is the perfect opportunity to set one up. Hostinger offers different plans to suit various needs, so go ahead and choose the one that best fits your requirements. Once your email plan is selected and set up, you're ready to proceed. And if you already have an email plan, we can move straight to the fun part, changing your profile picture. Navigate to your email settings or options where usually a placeholder or existing profile picture is displayed. Click on it, and you should see the option to edit or change your picture. Select Change Picture, then either upload a new image or choose one from your existing library. Make sure the image you select is clear, recognizable, and appropriately professional if this email is used in a work setting. Once you've made your selection, save the changes. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Hostinger email profile picture, giving your email correspondence a fresh new look. Remember, a personalized profile picture not only makes your emails more engaging, but also helps in creating a trustworthy communication persona. Thanks for following along, and happy emailing.